Hello and welcome back to Audiotel. After we have finished all the connections in the previous videos, all the outlet extension from the phone system, and connect all the cabling to the BICS connector, and from the BICS connector to the outlets. This is simulating the outlets for the extension 101 and 102. Just two extensions for the basics of the explanations that I'm going to give you. Then we're going to go into the programming of the phones and basic functions of the phone system. So let's get into it. And remember, it's fun to phone. Thank you. Welcome back to Audiotel. Today we have two phones connected to the phone system, the extension 101 and extension 102. Each phone has a different extension number. In this case, we have the kitchen as it shows on the display. This phone belongs to the kitchen, is installed at the kitchen, and is showing the kitchen name and the extension number. This one is 102, installed at the family room. So I'm going to do a simulation of what would happen when you call from one extension to another. So if you want to call from the family room to kitchen, you can use this button down here that is pre-programmed to call the kitchen. So we have several locations at the house, each one with a different extension number and location already written on the label. So I press the button and it will show on the kitchen that someone at the family room is calling me. Right? Just pick up the phone, answer the call, and you can hang up. Right? So the same thing will happen backwards. If you are on the kitchen and you want to call the family room, you press the button that corresponds to the family room, and this phone at the family room will ring, showing you that someone from the kitchen is calling you. Okay, you can answer the call and you can hang up. All right. So basically, that's the idea of having a phone system inside the house. You can have extension phones in different locations at the house. You can even do a page, so you can from one phone you can call at the loudspeakers of each phone at the same time, looking for someone inside the house. Right? Here you can have the phone lines that belong to the outgoing calls. Just press the button, you have dial tone, you can dial the phone number where you want to call outside. Right? So you can transfer calls, you can do paging, you can open the gate to let someone in, you can answer the door box, and I will give you more information about each of these features in future videos. If you have any questions, you can ask me. I can do a video with details of giving you the answer. All right? So, okay, I'll see you on the next video, and remember, it's fun to phone.